you know that over 50 million Americans experience acute pain each year? Whether it's from a headache, fever, or muscle pain, managing pain effectively is essential for maintaining our daily lives. Meet Pedrol, a trusted solution designed to help you take control of pain and fever relief safely and efficiently. But what makes this paracetamol-based tablet stand out, and how does it work? Let's break it down. What is Pedrol, and how does it work? Pedrol is a paracetamol-based tablet scientifically known for its ability to reduce pain and lower fever. When you take Pedrol, it works by blocking the production of specific chemicals in your body called prostaglandins. These are responsible for transmitting pain signals and triggering fever responses. By stopping these signals, Pedrol allows your body to recover and feel better faster. Key benefits of Pedrol. Pedrol offers several benefits that make it a go-to choice for millions. First, it's highly effective for managing common pains like headaches, back pain, and arthritis. Second, it helps reduce fever quickly, which is especially helpful during flu season or viral infections. And third, it's gentle on the stomach compared to other pain relievers like NSAIDs. Safety and dosage safety is critical when taking any medication. With Pedrol, it's important to follow the recommended dosage. For adults, the typical dose is 500 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours, but no more than 4,000 milligrams in a day. Overdosing on paracetamol can lead to serious liver damage, so always stick to the guidelines and consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure. Take 1 to 2 tablets every 4 to 6 hours as needed. Do not exceed 8 tablets, 4,000 milligrams in 24 hours. Avoid alcohol while using Pedrol to protect liver health. Who should use Pedrol? Pedrol is suitable for a wide range of people, from teenagers to older adults. However, it's always wise to check with your doctor if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking other medications to ensure it's the right fit for you. Remember, Pedrol is designed for short-term use. If your symptoms persist beyond a few days, it's essential to seek medical advice. How does Pedrol compare to alternatives? When comparing Pedrol to alternatives like ibuprofen or aspirin, Pedrol is often preferred for people with sensitive stomachs or those who can't tolerate NSAIDs. While ibuprofen targets inflammation more directly, Pedrol excels in general pain relief and fever reduction without the risk of stomach irritation. Real-life scenarios. Whether you're powering through a busy workday, recovering after a tough workout, or caring for a loved one with a fever, Pedrol is there to provide reliable relief when you need it most. A simple reminder: pain and fever don't have to slow you down. With Pedrol, you have a proven, trusted solution for relief. Always use it responsibly, and remember, your health is worth it.